Hello and welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. First, it is our wrist check time and today I'm wearing my Snorke. I forgot the model number of this watch, but it is a great budget watch and it just looks like Casio G5600 series. Our today's watch came in this black color box with wording Time Corridor, although this is not the brand name. So without further delay, let's open the box. Upon opening the box, we can see there is a certificate of warranty which seems to be unsigned, so it is of no use for us. And then we have a tag to prove that this is an authentic watch. And then finally, we have the watch. Well, apart from this watch and that tag, we are not able to see anything else. Actually, I was expecting at least a clean cloth or a sizing tool to size the bracelet. Now let's remove the plastic to have a better look of the watch. I will speed up the video to save some time. The brand name is GLENAW and the model number of this watch is 8961 and it's a mechanical automatic watch. Well, this is the first look of the watch after removing the plastic. And now let's talk about the first impression. In any watch, the first thing we notice is the dial. Well, in this watch we have a panda dial and at the bottom of the dial we can see an open heart which shows the nice view of the mainspring. The watch case seems nice, especially the fixed bezel with minutes marking on it, giving it a sporty look. The bracelet seems to be well built and gives a nice overall look to the watch. Overall, the watch looks nice, but due to its sporty bezel, I will categorize it more as a sports watch. It is time to talk about the measurement of the watch, which are taken from the seller's website. The case diameter is around 43 mm. The lug width is around 22 mm. The case is around 16 mm thick. The water resistance is around 30 meter and the crystal is made of hardlicks. Now let's talk about the build quality. As per the seller's website, the case of the watch is made of stainless steel and it is polished all around. On the right hand side, we have a guarded push-pull crown and two push buttons with coinage pattern. Well, I'm pretty much sure that they are not screw-down crowns. Let me confirm. And yes, I was correct about the coinage being just for the show. Then we have a bezel with minutes marked with interval of 10. On the left hand side, we can see two hidden push buttons and I believe they are there to operate the complications on the watch. Coming to the dial of the watch, well, it has two-tone beige and black color. Well, this kind of dial is also known as panda dial. At below 12 position, we can see the name of the manufacturer with their logo, and just below it there are two windows. One shows the year and the other shows the month. Let me move the minute hand to have a better view. Yes, now we can see the two windows clearly. Then there are two sub-dials. The one on the left shows the day of the week and the other displays the date of the month. However, the color combination of blue hands on a black dial makes it difficult for me to see them clearly. At the below side of the dial, we can see an open heart that proudly shows the dancing of the mainspring. Coming to the hands, this watch has a total of 5 hands. The minute and hour hands are lumed. Also, they have a black border which gives it a nice contrast with the background. Then we have a stainless steel bracelet with solid links and hollow end links. The links are held together by push pins, which is fine by me. Then we have a butterfly clasp. Personally, I am okay with the butterfly clasp. Let me know in the comment section if you like a butterfly clasp or a folding clasp. And then we have a see-through case back, and there's some information engraved on it like water resistance and etc. One more thing I have noticed, that this case bag do have notches, but it is a push down case bag. And now it's time to check how it looks on the wrist, and here it is on my 6.5 inches wrist. As usual, I need to remove a few links to hang it nicely on my wrist, which also means if someone has a bigger wrist, then they can enjoy this watch without asking for extra links. The thing is, I'm not able to figure out if this watch has been inspired by some other watch out there. If you have any information, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining me on the quick unboxing of this watch. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a full review video of this watch. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until the next time, happy watch collecting.